Can you imagine staying in a town only 100 or 200 people are living? So welcome to the ghost town of Lavasa. It's a very beautiful town located very near to Pune, like it's only 70 or 80 kilometers. As Lavasa is only 65 to 70 kilometers away from Pune, we started little late that day around 10 o'clock. And the roads about Pune, the surrounding landscapes, I really liked it. On the way, we stopped at a local restaurant for some snacks, and since we are in Pune, we had to try this kanda bhaji and misal pav. Today we are traveling with our friends. Now let's continue on the journey. We traveled during the month of May, and the surrounding landscapes and the mountains, those were like bit dry and bit brown. And it is highly recommended that if you travel after monsoon, it will be full of greens, and that's the best part of the Western Ghat. After Pirankot, the road begins to climb and you get those winding Ghat sections. It's a 2-lane road, so you will need to be a little careful, but the views make it totally worth it. Driving in monsoon, you will see little waterfalls on the roadside here, and everything will look fresh and green. And in winter, you might even experience some fog here. Halfway to Lavasa, you will pass Temghar Dam. It's a nice place to take a quick break. So that's the drive from Pune to Lavasa, short, scenic and perfect for a weekend road trip. So we are just about to enter Lavasa. The idea was to create India's first planned hill city, not just for tourism but for people to actually live here. Can you imagine a 25,000 acres property just being empty? So this town was built in European architecture. We can see all the buildings, everything just behind us. There is a huge dam here, and the entire area is surrounded by green mountains. So there were some constructions going on until 2010 or 11. After that, there were some litigation raised by the Indian government because of the environmental hazards. The area it's located inside the Western Ghat, and keeping the environment in mind, this probably wasn't the better idea to design here. And the company, the Lavasa group who were building this one, they also went into huge debt, which caused disruption in the construction. Few people are staying here, mostly the college students who are studying in Christ University. So they are staying here, but nowadays the property price has gone down, but I don't know if it's worthy to stay here or not. But for now, let's enjoy the scenic beauty over here.
As you walk around, you will notice something. Parts of Lavasa feel incomplete. Some areas have buildings half finished, half plots are just empty. And that's because the project which stalled a few years ago. The main reason, legal and environmental issues. The government stopped construction at one point because Lavasa had started building without all the required environmental clearances. And this area in the Western Ghats, which is an eco sensitive zone, that led to a lot of court cases and delays. Today, Lavasa is still open for visitors. You can do boating, cycling, enjoy the cafes, or just relax. People even live here, but it's a fraction of what was originally planned.